Hey, if you're still specifying metallic enclosures for your project designs, we really need to talk. Now, metal's not all bad, and in some cases, it really is the best solution. For example, if you need something that's going to be stainless steel sanitary wash down, well, stainless steel is the best choice. If you need something that's bigger than 3 feet in any direction, again, metal is incredibly versatile. So, you're doing great. Get on out of here, open up a spreadsheet, start a new CAD project, or go watch a video about cats. So, for everyone else, now that they're gone, let's talk about polycarbonate and why in most cases it is going to be a better choice for your project design and your bottom line. Let's go to the warehouse and talk about weight. So when you're designing your project, your prime concern is, will the enclosure fit the design? But let's look at the cost of the product beyond just the price tag. Things like shipping. So here's an empty 20 by 16 by 8 polycarbonate enclosure, and that's clocking in at 10.57, so we'll say 10.6 pounds. A comparably sized metal enclosure, also empty. Now this is clocking in at 17.54 pounds. So we'll say 17 and a half. So really almost 7 pounds. Now this is just a 20 by 16 size box. When you're dealing with a larger enclosure, that weight's also going to be almost twice. So again, we're looking at not only the shipping costs, but the wear and tear on the human element, the installers in the field, or the panel shop that's populating this enclosure. And that can leave a real dent on the bottom line. Speaking of dent, let's talk about impact resistance. Okay, so years back we did this with a fiberglass box, and well, the polycarbonate box just bounced this ball like it was nothing. Strike! Okay, so now let's try this with a metal box. That's going to leave a mark. So, in the real world, things happen. When a metal box takes a hit, the frame warps, the seals break, rust begins, and the NEMA ratings, well, they're just gone. Polycarbonate, on the other hand, takes the hit, flexes on impact, and keeps on protecting your design. On top of that, it's almost half the weight. It will never rust. It'll survive your job site. So please stop specifying metal boxes just because you always have. Contact your local Fibox representative or visit fiboxusa.com to learn more. Let's build a better product. I'm Carl Marchese. Let's have a great day.